too. I saw the other one, so it's like,
I'm in it for the long haul now.
I have to see it now. As soon as I saw that one, they have like the
all the kids are saying rabbits in my backyard.
I know, but the rabbits, well, not still alive, but I didn't kill it.
I don't eat them, but
I did see that.
Oh, I've got a good rabbit story.
Like animals.
So we go to the driving range.
Oh, yeah.
Water tanks and Get back, guys, and get the door.
There's a bunch of bunnies everywhere.
Oh no, don't go.
But there's just one in our way.
Gabe's here. We're doing a history class together.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely. That's right.
Yeah. Our teacher was awesome. And like, it's not my fault that she.
I said, all right, dude.
It does make me feel.
No, he wasn't. He was so into it.
He was not.
No, he totally
I don't know
was.
what you're talking about.
No, I swear to God, in the whole movie, you know, he was in it. I swear to God.
Psst, hey, Gabe. What's up, buddy? Yeah.
Ketchup and mustard goes perfectly with chocolate cookies.
Fat cave.
Oh, give it to me.
So juicy.
Oh, yeah. Just, there we go. Should I catch you in the mouth? I don't think so.